The 2S4 has no equivalent in Western militaries. This is because its main task, destroying immobile, fortified strongpoints with its powerful shells, is typically performed by airstrikes using precision-guided munitions such as JDAMs. Of course, the advantages of a ground-based system are those of sustained fire over time and ability to operate when air power is unavailable. The 30-ton 2S4 mates its M240 heavy mortar to a tracked GMZ vehicle chassis used in numerous other self-propelled weapons systems. The crew of 9, 4 vehicle operators and 5 gunners, is protected by up to 20 mm of armor, adequate protection against small arms and shrapnel. Though the terrifying barrel of the M240 is pointed forward, when the vehicle is on the march, when deployed the mortar's baseplate is flipped over the back of the vehicle onto the ground so that the tube points upward and away. Each shot makes the entire vehicle ring like a giant bell. The 30-ton 2S4 TYULPAN is one of the biggest mortar systems in the world, if not the largest. It's an ideal weapon to besiege cities. The mortar tube is transported in a horizontal position. When stopped and prepped for fire, the gun elevates vertically to a 50 to 80 degree angle that reminds you of a smaller mortar. But the result is anything but small. The mortar has a range of 6.2 miles, much shorter than other Russian artillery. A rocket-assisted round can travel 11 miles. The giant 240mm shells can be high explosive, incendiary, fragmentary, or armor-piercing. During the Cold War, the TYULPAN was equipped with chemical warheads and tactical nuclear weapons. There is a precision-guided projectile called the Daredevil that was used in Afghanistan and Chechnya, where it pulverized Grozny and took out Chechens who were hiding in mountain caves. Alarmingly, the TYULPAN can fire cluster munitions. The TYULPAN has a slow rate of fire at 1 round per minute. There's nothing new about this beast. It has been around since 1971. The Russians have around 40 in service. This siege weapon is another problem for the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense. It can be eliminated with various types of counter-fire, but once it has a safe place to bombard, it can rain down doom on population centers. The aforementioned use in Chechnya and Syria shows its powerful fires against civilians and its ability to wreck buildings and other fortifications. The Ukrainians will have to seek out the TYULPAN and remove it from the battlefield before it terrorizes their cities.